Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the surface and dock. First, make sure Windows and Surface firmware are updated so drivers install cleanly. Next, plug the dock's power brick into AC and connect the dock to your Surface using the USB-C cable. At the same time, attach your primary monitor to the dock's display port or HDMI output. Once done, power on the Surface and monitors. The system will initialize peripheral enumeration, which allows devices to be recognized automatically. You now configure displays and peripherals for daily use. Open display settings to arrange screens, choose primary display, and set scaling so text and apps look correct. This prevents blurry apps. Then, plug keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, external drives, and any audio device into the dock's ports and verify they appear in Device Manager. If needed, install Surface Dock Manager to update dock firmware and adjust port behaviors. Doing this improves stability and resolves power delivery issues. You finish by verifying everything works. Test video output, audio, Ethernet throughput, and USB device functionality. Make sure to safely eject storage before unplugging so you avoid data loss. If a device doesn't appear, disconnect the USB-C from the Surface for 5 seconds, then reconnect. This forces re-enumeration. If problems persist, power cycle the dock by unplugging AC for 30 seconds and confirm dock firmware is current. This resolves most stubborn connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.